Are you looking for the best back machines? In this video we will look at some of the best back machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sunny Health Fitness SFBH6629 Back Machine. Sunny Health and Fitness is renowned for making high-quality home gym equipment. We often feature their products in our buying guides, so we knew to check them out on the search for the best back machine. This product, the Sunny Health and Fitness SFBH6629, is probably the back machine with the simplest design on this list. It serves just one purpose: to extend your back. With a maximum weight limit of 250 pounds, it's not the most heavy-duty back machine on this list. On the plus side, the height is adjustable, so you can ensure that it's at the right height to work your back properly. It also has comfortable high-density pads to support your hips and slip-resistant handlebars. You may also like some of these amazing under-desk treadmills from our list, so check them out. Number 2. Stamina Back Machine. In our opinion, the Stamina Hyper Bench is the best-looking back machine on the market. With its red-painted steel frame and black pads, it brings a bit of color to your home gym. Of course, when it comes to fitness equipment, aesthetics isn't always on top of the priority list. The product needs to work as well. Fortunately, the Stamina Hyper Bench is also one of the best back machines on the market. It has a maximum weight limit, which means it's not suitable for big guys. The height is adjustable and you can also change the position of the footrest, so everything's in the right place for your workout. When you get up close to this machine, the quality is easy to see. Everything, from the foam rollers to the non-slip rubber frame caps, is put together perfectly. Number 3. Marcy MWM988 Back Machine. While this home gym isn't cheap, the wealth of back workout options it provides makes it well worth the price. With this model, you can do upper body exercises like flies, curls, chest presses, and lat pull-downs, as well as lower body exercises like leg extensions. Its weight stack goes up to 150 pounds, and it even has a workout chart built in to show you which exercises you can use this machine for and how to do them properly. Number 4. Sunny Health Fitness Hyperextension Back Machine. Okay, so it's not exactly a machine, but few pieces of back workout equipment deliver the lower back targeting power of a hyperextension Roman chair, and this option from Sunny Health and Fitness is a great choice for a number of reasons. Its solid build quality means that it won't wobble unsteadily like cheaper competitors, and it's fully adjustable to suit any body size. It also has integrated dip handles for an added bonus workout, and it's easy to lay flat for storage. Number 5. Bowflex PR1000 Home Gym Back Machine. Bowflex is a trusted name in the home gym game, and its PR1000 home gym is ideal for those looking to strengthen their back muscles. This model has everything you need for a complete upper body workout, including multiple pulley positions that allow you to target different muscle groups. The bench even converts into a rowing machine, which is great for engaging your entire upper body, including your chest and core, while providing you a solid cardio workout.